We made it. It's August, that month in any gardener's diary where you can sit back, spend time in the hammock and enjoy the fruits of your labour. But if, like me, you spend time in a hammock, it won't be long before you spot some weeds and something to do. And that's where a hoe comes in. And I really like this oscillating hoe here. It really glides through the soil, around your plants, and with a push-pull action, make sure that all those weeds are goners before you know it. The other thing that I like to do is I always come out in the garden with some twine in my pocket. Another thing you'll spy is climbers that constantly need tying in. So make sure that you've got some twine cut to length, and you can easily just make a figure of 8 around your plants, and this one's a cabea, and then you can just support it wherever you want it to grow. Of course, once you've done some weeding, then you can do some seeding, and there's a whole load of hardy annual seeds that you can sow now. Things like calendula, we've got some cornflowers, lots of different colours, forget-me-nots and Californian poppies. If you sow these now, water them in well, and come next year they will be in bloom. But blooms can be an issue too, can't they? And there's always things flopping around, particularly as they grow larger and the flower heads get bigger. So I like to have some of these plant supports, and these are stainless steel. Invest once in quality product and it will last you a lifetime. And just pop them in, things like this Hemerocallis Stafford, and you can just sit back again and enjoy your blooms. Have a good August and enjoy your garden.